Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we are going to look at a little bit of TA on Gala Games because it has been absolutely on fire. So, here we are looking at the weekly time frame. We can see we just now started getting our 50 simple moving average on the weekly, and it looks like Gala is actually trying its hardest to get up there and test it up here at 9.61 cents or anywhere close by that. So a lot of people think, hey, Gala's been pumping too hard. It's probably going to end. We still got some room. Still got plenty of room. So we might find a little bit of resistance right here. Macro resistance. So we have to plot this out real quick. You have the candle low close here all the way back from November 21st. In oh no, wow, November 8th, back in 2021, we did find it as resistance back over here back in August of 2022. And then now it looks like we are coming up to test that level once again. So that's something that we see on the weekly. And then, of course, it is a little bit of a range. So we do have that small range right there that we are looking to get back into and possibly go higher. Let's go down to the daily time frame, see what we see. And noted, not overbought on the weekly yet. So on the daily, you can see we were in this falling wedge pattern, which we have broken out of. So if we do come to the top of this, let's just take it from here to here. We got a nice breakout. Didn't all the way back test, but that's okay. Prices were pretty darn depressed. And we can anchor this right here. So, nice falling wedge pattern. Measured move out of a falling wedge. It's actually the thickest portion of the falling wedge. So, you can see how that lines up right in this little range, this little trading range we should be landing into. So, from the breakout, we are looking at 131% upside, and we are about halfway through the move, which is absolutely awesome. So, we should still have another 57% upside potential. Just keep that in mind while we go further into the TA. Let's come down to lower time frames. Let's come down to the 4 hour. So you can see on the 4 hour what's been going on. You had the rise up. We had our consolidation period. Came down. Actually, I don't like that. That first wick's a little too high. Don't like that at all. I like this a lot better. That's better because we have 1, 2, 3 touches, then the breakout. Measured move upon that breakout, which would be pretty much up to your resistance. So you have to figure you're more than likely going to get up to 6959. But we are currently trading sideways, consolidating, and once we can actually break out of this small little consolidation, which looks a lot like this. Once we can break out of this consolidation, we're looking for the next leg up. So do I think Gala still has room to move to the upside? Yes, I do. But yeah, that's what I see out of Gala. Provided Bitcoin doesn't start falling over, we should be just fine. But also if we look down here on the 1 hour, you can see on the 1 hour stochastic RSI oversold, back into neutral territory on the relative strength index. We do have a little bit of positive momentum forming out of the MACD. However, this is a lot more selling pressure. We do have the bearish divergence, so maybe the next leg up will be the last one if we get it, but we will have to wait and see. If we do not hold that level, then we are looking for some back tests, which I would take a little fib retracement from top down to bottom. From top to bottom. And we would look for a common retrace, which would be back down here to 3567. Possible opportunity. So what I would say is watch if we do not hold this level of support down here from this previous resistance that we broke out of, then I would be looking a little bit deeper back down to this 3567 before we see more upside. However, considering how bullish the market's been the past couple days, I don't think it's going to pull back just yet. I do believe we are going to hit overhead resistance first and then have a pullback. but we will just have to wait and see. However, if we do hit that resistance, your pullback's still coming back down to this exact same range on a common retrace. It kind of is what it is. Hopefully this video helps you out. Do not take this as financial advice. This is just what I see in the charts, how I'm trading, and yeah, catch you in the next one. Take it easy.